Is your team insured and police checked?
Yes, our entire team at Clean House Melbourne is fully insured, police checked, professionally trained, carefully vetted and trusted by hundreds of homeowners and agents. We know how important it is to feel safe and confident when letting people into your home, especially during a stressful and emotional time like selling. That's why we only send experienced, uniformed, respectful cleaners who are held to the highest standards of professionalism, courtesy, and detail. Many of our team members have been with us for years and are beloved by our long-term clients. Our business is also ISO certified, accredited and licensed, backed by 9 years of 5-star reviews. When you book with Clean House Melbourne, you're not just getting a cleaning service. You're getting total peace of mind knowing your home is in the safest, most capable hands in the industry.